Hey everyone, Rob Wise Guy 82 here again, and this is going to be an unboxing video. This is really awesome. Probably one of my bigger steals. Yeah, this is going to be awesome. Probably not quite as known as my other big steal, but this right here is pretty freaking awesome. I got it for like $15, $14.99, and I can't freaking believe it. Nobody bid on it. And then I also have another one coming that not quite a surprise, but yeah, this is just awesome. Wait till you see it, guys. I got a couple of cool things up right there that you're looking at. This right here is probably one of my favorite David Mack covers, the new one that I got a couple weeks ago. Absolutely incredible. And this right here is Masks #1 from Dynamite. This is the 1 in 100 Alex Ross sketch cover. $10 shipped, guys. 1 in 100. Can't be but a few of these around. I don't know how many, what kind of print runs Dynamite does, but for a 1 in 100, there can't be a lot of them. And then he does all the interiors too. It is freaking gorgeous. Really gorgeous. Also wanted to give a shout out to Coco's Comics, because I am definitely a cokehead. I'm not sure how long they've been on YouTube. It's the Central Oregon Comics Outreach Alliance, I believe. Yeah, I think that's what it is. COCOA. And they got their own shop out there. So got the box. It's opened. Nice and cardboarded up. Alright. But, so Justin, hope you're doing well, man, and Ashley, and I believe Ryan are they've been on it the last couple of times. They're all awesome. Oh my god. You're really gonna dig this though, Justin. I told you I had something cool coming. We're both big Squarriors fans. And hold on. And so they talk about it often, and loving the new story arc. One of our favorite characters is Ghost. So I was like, oh boy, I got something pretty incredible coming. Well, here it is. Okay, so, oh my god, but the book is in horrible condition. It doesn't even matter, because what matters is, check this out, guys. So I got Squarriors #1, and this is just by itself. It's not part of the book. I knew it wasn't, but look at that, guys. One of our characters, Ghost. This is number 194 of 210, sketch by Ashley. Oh! Man down! But look at that. Sketched and signed by Ashley Witter. Unbelievable. Ooh, that's a bad looking book, though. And the book is signed by Ashley and Ash Maxco. Woo! I mean, I guess technically, yeah, oh yeah, boom, boom, boom. I didn't know it was that bad, but, awesome. Check out some of the artwork. Oh, man. Ooh. Did you guys hear that? Some of our main characters. Oh, there we go. Look at that artwork. Are you kidding me? absolutely amazing. Ashley Whittier is one of the amazing goddesses doing art right now. One of my favorites. Up there with Jenny Frison, Tula Lotay. Oh man, but that book is in bad shape. But look at this, guys. Absolutely amazing. Ghost. Okay, guys, that's it. Nice and short. Peace, love, and sketches.